Hello, fellow coin enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and crucial topic on how do you value your coin collection? Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, understanding the value of your coins is essential. In this video, we'll cover expert tips and viral keywords that will help you accurately appraise your collection. Before we get started, now is the time to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Step 1. Research your coins. The first step in valuing your collection is thorough research. Here's how you can start. Use online catalogs. Websites like Numista and NGC Coin offer extensive coin catalogs where you can look up your coins by type, year, and mint mark. Reference books. Invest in numismatic reference books such as The Expert's Guide to Collecting and Investing in Rare Coins. For detailed information on coin values. Coin forums. Join online numismatic forums, where you can ask experts about specific coins and get advice on their value. By comparing your coins to those in catalogs and reference books, you'll get a good sense of their market value. Pay attention to key factors, such as rarity, condition, and historical significance. Step 2. Assess the condition of your coins. The condition or grade of a coin significantly affects its value. Here are some grading basics. Uncirculated. Coins that have never been used and show no signs of wear, these are often the most valuable. Extra fine, XF. Slight wear on the highest points of the coin. Very fine, VF. Light to moderate wear, but all major details are visible. Good, G. Significant wear, but the coin's major details are still discernible. Using a coin grading chart can help you accurately determine the condition of your coins. For an expert opinion, consider getting your coins professionally graded by a service like PCGS or NGC. Step 3. Identify key dates and mint marks. Certain dates and mint marks can greatly increase a coin's value. Here's what to look for. Key dates. Some years are more valuable due to low mintage or historical significance. For example, the 1920 straight settlements, silver 5 cents is highly sought after. Mint marks. Coins from certain mints can be more valuable. Look for mint marks like S for San Francisco or D for Denver. Cross-referencing your coins with key dates and mint marks in reference books or online catalogs will help you identify those with higher values. Step 4. Get an appraisal. For an accurate valuation, consider getting a professional appraisal. Here's how. Visit a coin dealer. Experienced coin dealers can provide appraisals based on their knowledge and market trends. Attend coin shows. Coin shows often have experts who offer free or low-cost appraisals. Online appraisal services. Use reputable online appraisal services for a convenient option. A professional appraisal can give you a precise idea of your collection's worth, especially for rare and valuable coins. Step 5. Keep up with market trends. The value of coins can fluctuate based on market trends. Stay informed by joining numismatic societies. Organizations like the American Numismatic Association provide resources and updates on market trends. Reading numismatic publications. Subscribe to magazines like Coin World or The Numismatist for the latest news and market analysis. Following online marketplaces. Monitor online marketplaces like eBay to see what similar coins are selling for. Staying updated on market trends will help you make informed decisions about buying, selling, and valuing your collection. And there you have it, fellow collectors. Valuing your coin collection is a rewarding process that combines research, expertise, and a passion for numismatics. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more numismatic tips. Watch our many videos on CoinDon for tips. And share your valuation experiences in the comments. Until next time, happy collecting and appraising.